Hydrangeas are one of the staples of the summer garden. They flower for weeks on end and offer you lashings of colour. But it's worth keeping in mind that there's lots of different types of hydrangeas and they don't all grow at exactly the same time or in the same way. So this Hydrangea Macrophylla, this is a mop-head hydrangea, and this has been in leaf since about March. It's now early May. In March it starts to grow and you can see the new flowers are already starting to form. The Arborescens, the big sort of rounded dome-shaped ones, these start to put on new growth a few weeks after the Macrophyllas. And these are the slow coaches. These are the Hydrangea Paniculatas, and these often don't start putting on any new growth until May. The beauty of these, and these are the ones that produce the really long, slender, cone-shaped flowers, these will tolerate shadier conditions better, and oftentimes the flowers last that little bit longer into the autumn.